Welcome everybody to Life Elite Christmas Day 11.
So today we are making these delicious little ginger cranberry mocktails. So all that's in these is kombucha and cranberry juice, along with some fresh ginger and rosemary and some fresh cranberries. It's really, really good. We're gonna show you how to make it. So let's get started.
Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe is some ginger kombucha, fresh cranberries, fresh rosemary, fresh ginger, and some ice cubes. I'll leave the entire recipe below in the blog that we found this on, but we made just enough for 2 glasses, but you could obviously double this recipe to make more for a bigger party. So the first thing we're going to do is chop up a couple of sprigs of rosemary. Next up, I have about anywhere between a ½ inch to an inch of fresh minced ginger, and this doesn't have to be really, really minced because we are just going to be straining this out, but this is going to help kind of infuse the ginger kombucha with this like fresh ginger. It's going to be really, really good. We're going to take the rosemary and the ginger and kind of beat them together to make kind of a juice almost. Next, we're going to take some ginger kombucha, and I forgot to mention this before, but you're also going to need cranberry juice for this recipe. So we're doing a 1-to-1 ratio and adding that to our mixture of herbs and fresh ginger. Next, we're just going to stir this really well to really infuse the juice with the rosemary and ginger. Next, we're going to take our 2 glasses, and this is served best over ice. You could also probably chill this if you didn't want to use ice, but we're going to serve this over ice in these really cute cups. Next, I'm just taking a coffee strainer, but if you have any sort of strainer, this would work. And we're going to dump out the juice into the strainer, so that's going to strain out all of the ginger and rosemary, because obviously you don't want that floating around in the juice. So we're just going to strain this. So I'm just using a coffee filter, and that worked really well. And then this is ready to be served, so we're just going to pour it into 2 glasses, and we are also going to garnish this with some fresh cranberries and rosemary. And there you have it. That is the finished ginger cranberry kombucha little festive drinks. These are so pretty for the holidays and really good. I think even kids would really like these. They're really pretty and fancy, but at the same time really good for you. So these are really, really great, especially after a big meal. I feel like ginger kombucha would sound great after a really big meal.
All right guys, well thank you for joining us. This is definitely one of my favorite holiday drinks. I think I might drink this well after Christmas.
I know, it's really, really good. It's super refreshing, but it looks really Christmassy and fun, and we'll put all the recipe details in the blog that we found this on in the description box. But yeah, it's really, really good, super easy to make, and you can obviously get more kombucha and more cranberry juice and make it for like a bigger party and make like a whole pitcher of it if you wanted, but we just made it just for the 2 of us. So it's really, really good though, so you guys should definitely give it a try. If you do, tag us in a photo on Instagram because we'd love to see your creations of it. And don't forget to subscribe because we're making new videos every single day leading up to Christmas Day, and we have a bunch of fun stuff coming in the new year, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow.